how I made this video. Alright guys, in this video I will tell you about how to edit reveal text in Capcut. First, open the Capcut and click the new project and add the original video. Alright, this is the original video. And go to the text and add text. You can zoom in or zoom out, up to you. And you can extend the duration of the text. Then export the video. Done, and back to the new project. Add the original video. Go to the overlay, choose the video with text. Click on the overlays video and go to the mask and choose the split. You can turn left third. Then add the keyframe. And do this continuously. Here you can add the overlay and choose the original video again for the third layers. And now remove background the third videos. Alright, if done, export the video. So here the result.